Hear the snake. Hear the snakes. The snakes are watching. This is my current situation.
We don't know what to do. I'm cleaning.
Whoa! Ouch. Yes, you know what to do. Pick up all them toys. Huh? I don't know. Go clean. This is what Laylo's doing.
Coach.
How is that?
It's good.
Cleaning up my living room. I want you to bring those upstairs, child. Oh yeah.
Now look on your body.
I see. Oh, ow. Oh, the joys. It's been, can you tell by the hair? It's been a great overnight stay. I can't get this chair down. And it's now almost time for the Whittle girls to say goodbye. Soon. These are all over my house. Just saying. Told them to clean up their mess. They did, but like kids do. It's not particularly like I would prefer. Hi. Who's that? Who's that? I did some clothes and they jumped on it. See, they don't get to do stuff like that when they're at their house, so I let them do stuff like that here. Sometimes I can take it, sometimes I can't. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So, right about now, I am just tidying up everything again. What are you doing? Why are you coming down here? You're supposed to be hiding. Tiptoe. Eyeball. My name is Eyeball, guys. They so mean. You remember back in the day when you used to always go and catch the littlest one? They keep catching Kenna, and Kenna gotta keep coming down here to count. Poor thing. How does she keep ending up being the counter? Yeah, but she just, you just found her now?
Yes.
When's Maxine gonna be the counter?
When she said so.
When she says
The
so?
one who made up the game, and she is the one who wanted to make the rules, and I wanted.
You want to make the rules, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you ready?
First.
Do your ABCs, and then you can go up.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
There you go.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Q, R, S, T.
She's ready! Okay.
This is the infamous sock bag again. Yeah. There's always a sock bag, right? Uh-huh. Who'd you find? Oh, it's fair. She saw your hair. It's your turn. Yeah, but you're it. So come on. Come on. You only find one person. Alright, so update. You saw I did my MRI and I got blood work done. I am currently waiting for results. They should be in, but it's like I want to call, but I don't want to call. Because what if the results are bad? So it's like, I'm just kind of like waiting for them to call me. Even though I want to know, I don't want to know. I want to know if it's good. So I'm just going to wait. I figure if...
1, 2, 3.
If it needs
Okay.
to be addressed right away, that means they would contact me right away, right? I'm hoping that's how it goes. Although there have been situations that there's a snake in my house. This is my pet snake. That they haven't done that.
Are you guys ready?
But anyway, yeah.
Are you guys ready? You have to.
That's the case for
Close your
now.
eyes.
So as far
I'm looking
as
at me.
anything, I don't really know yet. So I'm still waiting, guys. Hear the snake. Hear the snakes. The snakes are watching. The snake is coming. Beware of the snakes. They're in the grass. Ah! And before you know it, they're right on your shoulder! Ah! Back up, snake. Ah! Listen, me and snakes, we don't get along. We don't get along. I don't got no pet snakes around here, around these areas. Oh, you want to be my friend? Oh, look at the snake. The snake in the grass wants to be my friend. Look at that. See, as quick as you know it, they turn on you. They want to be your friend. Look, they want to be my friend. He wants to be my friend real quick. Hi. Hi, Melly. Hi. Oh, I love you so much. We could be friends. And then they turn on you. You see that? And then they try to attack you. Hey. Oh. Maxine. Hey, Maxine.
No.
Always be aware of the snakes in the grass, okay? Always be aware of the snakes in the grass. They'll creep up on you. A little side note. Alright, their mom should be coming. I think you have to go find them now. I think it's time. Oh, did I hit you? Go find them. Go.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah, they probably been ready. Hello. Daddy's home. Hi, baby. How's the food?
In CCTV,
Magnifique.
across the country, it's the operator's job to keep an eye on the streets to stop antisocial
Oh, gosh.
behaviour
I thought that was...
turning into serious criminal behaviour.
So I made my white rice remnants, and this is the sauce for it. And here's Laylo's plate. And put some olives on it. Bon appetit. We call that dinner. Let's scare him.
Love this dinner.
You always love the dinner. You're so cute. Give him a little song, baby. Give him a little song. No. Give him a little tune.
I got nothing.
You got something.
I got nothing.
Come
I
on.
got nothing in the tank.
Look, he look like a sumo wrestler.
Why?
Or what the
ninja.
heck? A ninja. He look like a ninja.
It's gonna take away my pimples. So.
Yeah, we're working on the pimples, guys. You can't see no pimples in this camera.
Good.
I'm following you. I'm following you. I need some footage. I'm following you. Psych your brains.
Like we always do.
Yeah.
Don't do that. Andy spotted a group of girls in his park.
All right, guys. So, supposedly Angie has. Ready or not, here I come. Supposedly Angie has this really great hiding spot, which means I'm probably not gonna find her. Is she here?
Nope. I think she's upstairs. What if she's in the oven? She better not be in the oven.
Rosalind's called police who came to take fingerprints and left a strong CCTV evidence in the paper.
If I ask Lady, if Lady follows me, she'll find Angie. Lady, go. Lay down. Okay. No? You were looking for her?
No. Oh my God. You're in the closet. You're behind here, aren't you? Oh my gosh! What are you standing on?
The blue thing.
Good hiding spot. Cause I went in there. Girl, you need to look at that closet. Oh my God.
All of these fall.
What? Maxine did? Well, you know what that means. That closet is atrocious. Stop, lady. That's a very good hiding spot though. Yeah, fix it up in there. Turn the music on.
I'm gonna let Dad.
Say hi.
Dad. Hi.
What do you got in your mouth? What is it? Don't do that. You could still choke on it. The heck? Stop. When I bought this game, did I show them this game already? When I bought this game, for some reason, my dorky self thought it was Uno. Well, let me see the box. There was a bunch of these games, and I was like, oh, look, Uno, right? Looks like Uno, except it says Dos.
I know what cards I got because I looked at them.
Anyway, I go to play, I'm like, what in the holy heck is this? Do you play it like Uno? I don't know. So it took us a minute to learn it. We had to watch a YouTube video. Shout out to the YouTube people who made a video on Dos. And we finally figured it out. So, this is the game of Dos.
just one. Alright.
Your turn, Mom.
Get out of my hand, man.
My phone. I think I probably have a signing you in. Hey. Alright.
Tres.
You got 3?
I got tres.
I see 2.
Tres. ¿Sí? 1, 2, 3.
No.
Oh.
Why didn't you guys tell me I had dos?
That was mad slow motion with it too. And that's a match, guys.
Slow motion with it. Slow
Putting that
motion
there.
with it.
And I was gonna put this right here. Oh man.
Your turn, Mom.
Alright, so now how do I find Kilo stuff? Oh, let's go like that. And put Kilo Forgotten. How about that? There I am. A little picture of a little guy. There's a
Oh
little guy.
no!
Is it moves to make? Moves
We
to
got
make.
moves to make. Play
No,
that
that's
one.
6,
I want
Mom.
to hear it anyway.
That's 6.
Oh darn.
You trying to cheat us?
Here.
I'm glad
Dose.
someone is counting.
Dose.
It's right now. I put the mic down. Put the house down. My style. We'll put a light into. And the light engine rose up from the belly of the beast. Only the deadly can compete. Ready for some.
That was my favorite. Trick or treat, the pain is heavy like. We got
Why you
moves to
dancing
make.
like that?
Moves. I'm gangster. We got moves to make.
Stop!
What?
You are
My
so
favorite
weird.
Nice little kid, too.
Why? What the heck? I have no fun with these kids, man.
Dope.
You right there, lifeline.
I gotta be gangster when I sing daddy stuff. We got moves to make. As we move like snakes, don't lose control. We got moves to make.
Kilo Forgotten. My turn, right?
Let's ride.
Yeah, when you pick up 2, you can't drop them.
Allow me to be myself, humble around.
Alright guys, so that is the game of Dose. And till the next video, we will catch you on the flip side.
Bye.
Bye.